Hi there, Elisa Hollinger here. I just wanted to take a small moment to ask you, do you know the difference between a revenue agent and a revenue officer? It's pretty important. They are both agents with the IRS. One has the ability to do the examination. They're more your tax compliance officer. They are the ones that are making sure that your return follows the rules, making sure that the reporting requirements are being met, making sure that your deductions and your income, all of that makes sense. They also are the ones that do your audits. They do the compliance audits, they do the correspondence audits, they do the field audits. The revenue officer, on the other hand, they're the ones that take your stuff. They're the ones that will come in, they collect information, they take money, they take stuff. That's what they do. They're often not even CPAs or attorneys or enrolled agents. They may just be somebody that's been through their training because they don't have to know the actual tax rules. They just have to know the IRS collection rules. And we'll talk about the IRM in another session, but just need to know that they're following a completely different set of rules than what the revenue agent does. So often your revenue officers, I hate to say this, but they can be mean. They can be ruthless, they can be hateful, and they can be jaded when it comes to dealing with the taxpayer. So if you're dealing with a revenue officer, you're probably in over your head and you don't even know it. I would highly recommend you find a professional to help represent you when it comes to dealing with a revenue officer, just to prevent it from spiraling out of control. Doesn't mean it won't still happen, but at least the odds are a little bit better in your favor. Is it cheap? No. Now, getting a representative, dealing with a revenue officer, nobody likes it, not even the professionals. But that's what we do, and that's what you pay us to do. So I hope that helps. If you're dealing with a revenue officer, get help. If you're dealing with a revenue agent, probably need to get help as well. But it's not going to be as terrifying. It can be, but it usually isn't as terrifying as dealing with the revenue officer. I hope that helps, and take care. My number's going to be at the top, 501-725-2626. You can contact me for a free 30-minute session, and I'll see if I can help you. Sometimes I'll say, gosh, you don't even need a professional. Here's what you need to do. I don't want to waste your time or your money, and I certainly don't have any of my time to waste. So take care. I hope that helps. Have a good day. Bye now.